You need to say yourself in the mirror right after watching this video that I want to get healthy, I want to look better, I will eat right, I will exercise, and I will earn my body. 10 weight loss diet tips. Eat vegetables in every meal, limit processed foods, eat slowly, eat fruits, drink more water, stop drinking soda, eat breakfast every day, measure yourself regularly, build muscles, and go for a walk regularly. Losing weight is a mind game. Change your mind and change your body. There will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be mistakes, but with hard work, there are no limits. Working out is never convenient, but neither is illness, diabetes, and obesity. Every new day is another chance to change your life. Exercise is king. Nutrition is queen. Put them together and you have got a kingdom. It takes 4 weeks for you to notice a change. It takes 8 weeks for your friends to notice. It takes 12 weeks for the rest of the world to notice. But it takes only one day to decide that you are enough. You don't have to be extreme, just consistent. How to lose weight? Turn your head to the right, turn your head to the left. Repeat this exercise whenever food is offered. Eat to fuel your body, not feed your emotions. You may not be there yet, but you are closer than yesterday. Start where you are. Start what you have. Do what you can. Pain is temporary, but the victory is forever. I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. How many Mondays have been and gone since you said, I will start next week? Take action and start today. What you eat in private is eventually what you wear in public. To change your body, you must first change your mind. Fitness is like marriage. You can't cheat on it and expect it to work. Every day is another chance to get stronger, to eat better, to live healthier, and to be the best version of you. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Diet means disciplining my body, intentional with each bite, eating for fuel, tracking food for results. 3 months from now, you will thank yourself. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Focus on the journey, not the destination. Change your mindset entirely to stay motivated and lose weight. It's never too late in the day to start eating better. If you have a bad morning, make an amazing afternoon. Don't let the weekend become your weekend. It takes only a pair of shoes and little extra veggies on your plate to lose weight successfully. It is not a quick fix, it's a lifestyle. A little progress each day adds up to big results. It will hurt. It will take time. It will acquire willpower. You will need to make healthy decisions. It requires sacrifice. You will need to push your body to its max. There will be temptations, but I promise you, when you reach your goals, it's worth it. Suffer the pain of discipline or suffer the pain of regret. You don't become what you want, you become what you believe. Look in the mirror, that's your competition. Today is your day to start fresh, to eat right, to train hard, to live healthy, to be proud. Be stronger than your excuses. Remember how your clothes don't fit, your body feels sluggish, your skin doesn't glow, you don't have energy, you want to feel beautiful, you are regretting what you ate, you are wishing you worked out, you wanted to change before making another unhealthy choice. A huge part of losing weight is believing you can do it and realizing it's not going to happen overnight. Make time for it. Just get it done. Nobody ever got strong or got in shape by thinking about it. They did it. I hope you found this video useful. Watch my other videos as well for free. Subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends and family, and check out my playlist of motivation. See you next time.